Look at that guy's life, dude. Even that guy's enjoying. I think it's always good to work in IT.
Hey,
Ma-
just don't daydream in the morning. I told you I will make you study with my income, but did you listen? Had you studied well, you would have got a very beautiful girl.
Good morning, lawyer.
He will ride with a beautiful girl on his bike. Everything is time, man.
You always keep coming on time.
Hey, this vehicle is troubling me often. Make it right, boy.
What? Is this bike? It should be on the museum. Pity it's coming to his shop. Why advocate? Can't you buy new vehicle?
Sentiment. Nowadays, people are looking at humans as things. But looking at objects as a human being is a good thing. I want it to be perfect. I'll
Yeah, okay,
wait.
take care.
What is this? So many are there.
Daddy, the vehicle is not getting started.
It was working fine till now.
I don't know what happened. This is not working properly.
Uncle, even if he tells you, you won't understand. You come with me, I'll take you. Brother has an important job to do. You come with me.
He and his bike, whatever.
Did you tell him? I haven't told. I said tomorrow I will say no.
Bro, your girl was there.
Don't call her like that, dude.
You have to call sister-in-law, right?
I'm going to keep her in my heart, bro.
Is it? First we take a picture and frame it, brother. Sister-in-law. Selfie.
Sister-in-law. Huh?
My brother told.
Did he? Yesterday he only threw colors on me, right? I won't leave
Hey,
him.
wait, those people are like a rowdy batch.
Come fast.
This fellow is
Come on, sister-in-law. Get in. You're all get in.
Come, let's go.
It's getting
What
late.
a crap he done.
Right. Pass or bypass? Move over, as it is
Railway
Railway
station,
station,
one
one
ticket.
How are you? Hey, buy the tickets.
Excuse me, 2 tickets for last stop?
It's okay, tickets are not needed. I am there, I'll take care.
Huh?
Hey, move over.
What?
Come on, buy the ticket.
We asked for ticket rate. Why is he laughing for that?
All that my brother will take care.
Brother.
Still don't you understand? This is all because of him.
Oh.
Hey, RK, keep an eye on the shed. I'll go and come back.
Okay.
It is okay even if I don't get marks. I just want a job. Hey! Your boyfriend has come. Then we don't need to take a ticket while going.
What is this for?
Morning bus ticket balance.
Give it to me some other time. First you come and sit.
Auto?
Where you want to go, sister-in-law?
What? Sister-in-law?
Hey, what? Sister-in-law?
Brother's girlfriend is my sister-in-law, right? You tell me, sister-in-law.
If so, he's your brother?
Yes, sister-in-law. Not only for me, he's brother for everybody in our area. Brother is very decent, sister-in-law.
Decent guy, yeah. He seems to look like a rowdy.
You know, never judge a book by its cover. You're educated, right? You don't know?
Is she the only one for your brother to love?
This is God's decision. Not only this, sister-in-law also very beautiful. That's why she got a good fellow. But this is not for you. You will get a waste fellow.
Oh,
Here only. Stop.
why is it here?
Get down.
Don't want
keep it.
sister-in-law. I won't take.
It's okay, brother. Keep it. Come. Hurry up.
I'm
Come
walking.
fast.
No.
Why is he keep on following us?
Yes.
Walk fast. Come fast. Hey, you go that side.
Yeah, okay.
Man, you left the bike on road.
I lost that girl, dude.
Is it?
Hmm.
For that, why are you so tensed? This is our place. Our Vanarapete. In our place, where will she go? Give me 2 seconds, I'll get her. Hello? Hey, from today in our place, you have to spread. She's our sister-in-law. Huh? VIP treatment starts from now.
Hello, madam. Come by line. Go back.
Oh, sister-in-law, you're here.
Hey, what is it going on here?
Brother, you know.
Hey, who you think she is? She's sister-in-law. Line will start from where sister-in-law is standing. Move away. Come in, sister-in-law. Hey, bring that chair for her. Come, sister-in-law. Come, have a seat. Sister-in-law, it feels like the goddess has come to my shop. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. You could have told me one word. I could have got this whole shop to your house. You could have taken whatever you wanted. Remaining, I'll bring back to my shop.
No need to act much. Hey, you give him the list.
Yes, give it to me. Oh my god, this big list?
Everything is branded, right?
All branded only, sister-in-law.
Sister-in-law, have a cold drink.
Oh.
Is it okay now?
Brother, do it fast.
Hey, shut your mouth. Hey, go away.
Thank you.
Boy, bring it here.
Bro, it's 2000, bro. You are getting only 200.
Hey, keep your mouth shut. How much ever she gives, that much only. If you want, you can cut the zero. Oh my god, sister-in-law, you're lifting it. Hey boy, come here. Take this and go. Please forgive me.
All this were my fate.
You go, sister-in-law.
What is the time now?
My time is not good.
I see.
How long will it take to move?
Yeah? The bus will start only after my lover comes.
This face has a lover?
Hey,
You go, sister-in-law.
By seeing all these things, I think he's in love with you.
he's enjoying everything from a faraway distance. We will also enjoy the scene. Let's see when he proposes to me.
Okay.
Hey,
Sorry, madam. Hey, sister-in-law arrived. Give away.
First, you go, sister-in-law.
Hey, you never give me back my money. You doesn't know about my brother. Multiple interest you have to pay. Huh? I am look like a comedian. Smart Sankar. Hey, who are you?
I came to meet Khan, brother.
You have some other job inside.
Did you bring?
No.
Okay, remove.
There is no other option.
No other go. Fast.
I'm removing it, no? Little bit slower. Oh my god! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Are you hear it? Super, no? Brother stamina like that. Wow. Brother, very good worker. Very good worker.
Hey, it's not enough if you know to give money. You should know to take it back also.
Until you bring the money, there is no food and bed for you. Go.
I'll come back with money.